everyone, I have an absolute treat for your eyeballs today. This home explodes with colour and passion, and it is easily one of the most energetic homes I have ever seen. I can't wait to have a sticky beak. It's time to let us in. I told you it was colourful. We're going to have a lot of fun in this home. We're going to start first with the bedrooms. And I'm trying my best not to disturb Noki, the cat. Bless. You are so adorable. I've been told not to make direct eye contact, so just, I'm slightly terrified. But we are in the front here now in the main bedroom. They have reinvigorated this room with pops of colour. They've kept these great original features with the fireplace, but they did redo the floor and also those fireplace hearth. I mean, clearly she's obsessed with me. I'm doing something right. We have another room through here. So this is their son's room. I love the change in colour palette. Also the fact that they've gone to the ceiling with colour as well. It's very playful, and note these windows that you see. That is going to give you an indication of what is to come down the back. So we move through into this bathroom, and I love, again, the colour and the texture in this space. We've got this incredible stone and these beautiful Italian tiles that have such great texture to the walls. It's just such a good feeling in here. That oversized window, all of that beautiful greenery. It's very private. It's a small space, but it's quite a calm, peaceful retreat. And we have the addition of a powder room. It's a similar palette. It's a lot of fun. Original features. So again, that mottled coloured stained glass, exposed brick. We have a fireplace in the powder room. There is a laundry hidden behind here as well. I love those corner sliding doors that can reveal this living space. Also great to be able to shut this away, and it could act as another bedroom if you need be. But this couch looks so damn comfy. I am going to sit in it. It is such a good feeling in here. It is so colourful and so incredibly playful. But looking at that, that's what we've got to get close to. Guys, this is sensational. I can't take the smile off my face for one. The coloured glass just is casting so much variance in colour, not to mention the colour on the walls as well. And they're also serving as quite a functional purpose because they do block the sight of the neighbours. So a smart little touch. The kitchen, my God, this island is gorgeous. Natural stone and that checkerboard tile, just that organic shape and the way it moves around. You kind of can't help but touch all of the beautiful surfaces. Here as well with this exposed detailing, just really soft elements like the curvature in the shelving and also in the range hood. It's just incredibly fun and rich. It's just got such a wonderful energy to it. I love the retro pool handles. They do play beautifully. Everything is very pink, but how good is that cute little hidden pantry? I love this soft baby blue, such a cute contrast with that soft pink. Very good looking pantry as well. Got some very fun snacks in there. Of course they do. The dining table here, which technically is a table tennis tournament table. So, doesn't need to be boring. Everything is fun in this house. It feels very kind of Italian holiday with this rendered pink wall. Earthy, playful, so much greenery. It's just very full and vibrant. Cute little pavers. We've got an outdoor bath, and also this is a servery window, which makes for a very good bar. This is definitely cocktail hour right here. Alrighty, let's raid some cupboards. Ooh. Well, this is fun. Okay. Pink drink, pink house. Why not? The word delightful comes to mind when describing this home. There is so much positive energy and every room is just an absolute treat to explore. The quaint Edwardian facade with touches of pattern and colour starts to hint at what's to come, like those patterned veranda tiles, that custom designed fly screen and that burnt coral door. They all build in anticipation that something very fun lies within. There are moments of the unexpected almost immediately, like the checkerboard tile hearth next to that fireplace in that front bedroom. The feature ceiling colours in the bedroom that change palette from one room to the next. The fun purple pull handles on the custom cabinetry throughout. And that soft pink hallway bringing surprise colour to an often forgotten zone in the home. This home is referred to as Casa Cassata due to the dessert-like interiors and the homeowner's Italian heritage. Sally Timmins of Timmins Architecture designed this renovation project for her good friend who wanted a home that felt as if it had developed organically over time rather than having a sterile new house feel. The planning of the original house and the extension was designed to bring natural light deep into the living spaces and limit the need for artificial lighting. The new living and kitchen were set back from the northern boundary to capture direct light, and that also allowed space for the L-shaped deck to wrap around the extension, effectively doubling their living space. The angled roof with large openable skylights captures the sun as it travels above the neighbouring properties and funnels that light in. The original house had 2 bedrooms at the front, which they kept as bedrooms. However, they added back the cornices, new flooring and insulation, and of course brought a colourful palette to reinvigorate those rooms. The other 2 original rooms were completely converted into that separate bathroom, the powder room cum laundry, and then that living space that has the opportunity to open or close to this kitchen and dining. The bathroom is soft and warm, different textures bounce off one another. The stone vanity and sink, the oversized hexagon floor tiles contrast with that large textured wall panel. And that stained glass in the powder room was an original feature of the home. As a nod to those original and very unique windows, they ended up bringing in that soft pink and yellow glass into the new extension. And the colored glass comes into full effect when you reach the heart of the home, towering above the kitchen and dining. It casts such magical light across the space and brings such an ethereal beauty that just brought me so much joy. I mean, who knew stained glass would excite me so much? I don't really know what it is. Maybe it's just an element of nostalgia. Perhaps it's seeing something common used in an uncommon setting. I don't know, but I'm all for it. Once you're in the kitchen, you don't know where to look. There is so much visual interest, but that bold use of color, pattern, and texture, they're able to sit peacefully in a calm and warm palette that is consistent throughout the home. The natural stone island bench and checkered tile is so fun, playing with shape and pattern. The pop of baby blue in that hidden pantry contrasting against the soft pink walls. The soft peach retro pool handles, and the way the dining opens up onto that pink rendered exterior wall, it feels like you might be in a courtyard in Tuscany. And honestly, that was kind of the point. This home wanted to give the impression that you were on an Italian holiday and you just get to enjoy it every day. The homeowners, having spent time in Italy, were very inspired by the peachy pink and terracotta walls, and they were very unafraid to experiment with colour when it came to this renovation, which I must say is so inspiring to see homeowners embrace colour so boldly. This house, it feels like a dessert. There's a sweetness to it. The pink and lilac accents, the coloured glass that's reminiscent of candied fruits, and the colour palette is almost like confectionery, yet they've been able to balance that sweetness with the more grounded and abundant use of timber, especially within this rear extension. So I've described this home as a dessert, as an Italian holiday. Technically, those two things kind of go hand in hand, but ultimately this home for me is just an expression of joy and a desire to find pleasure in the little things. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this home tour. I'd love to know what you thought, so let me know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe. We've got plenty more home tours coming your way.